This is an example from heavy process industry. So what is 1% increased output worth to you? The average market price the last 5 years is $840 per ton. The average variable cost the last 5 years is $490 per ton. So the variable cost includes direct labor and raw materials. The contribution towards other costs then is going to be $350 per ton. The total production volume last year was 420,000 tons. And 1% of the production volume times the $350 contribution per ton give us $1,470,000 per year. That's for 1% increase in output. So if the budget is the same as last year, you could argue that this is actually additional profit. Here's another example. What's the value of 1% improved reliability for a small sawmill? The sawmill daily shift average is 325,000 board feet. So 1% of that is 3,250 board feet. The sawmill daily shift time is 480 minutes or 8 hours, and 1% of that is 4.8 minutes. So the average board feet per hour is 40,625. That gives us 677 board feet per minute. The blended sales average based on the product mix at this sawmill is $350 per 1,000 board feet. That gives us $0.35 per board feet. 3,250 board feet times 2 shifts times $0.35 per board feet gives us $2,275. An average 20-day production months with 2 shifts give us 45,500. So 12 months production give us $546,000 in additional revenue if we can increase production 1% over a year. We also looked at the potential after doing the assessment that the actual output could probably increase from 5 to 8% in total. So the revenue potential here is about $2.7 to $4.4 million in addition to what they're producing right now. So how are we actually going to develop the basis for improving reliability here in the examples? We need to understand the current situation. We need to do an assessment versus best practices in reliability maintenance. Basically, what is the opportunity we can find in reliability maintenance? Step 2 is to build a plan to improve that has specific action and goals, and it requires support of our management team. Step 3, implement the plan, follow up on the progress, and measure how much reliability is improving. And there is a step 4, and that's to assess maintenance again, come up with an updated plan, and then continuously improve our actions.